Zapya makes sharing files from Android devices to iOS devices easy. On the Android device, simply click the Create Group icon on the Connect to Share screen. Zapya will then instantly generate a unique QR code that others can use to connect to your device. On the iOS device, click the Scan icon that is located on the top right corner of the home screen and align the QR code within the frame. After you click Connect, the two devices will automatically be connected. Now you can share files of any size and of any format from Android to iOS. How easy is that? Zapya, all-in-one file sharing.